Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behave and I am back with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this really cute blue and purple bling ombre set. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that I'm going to use is Funtasia, and this is by Glitterbels. This is like a blue and purple gold foil type of glitter mix, and I think it's really cute. So I told you guys I'm using a randomizer and just using whatever gets selected in my randomizer from my acrylic collection to create. So the first thing that I'm going to do is basically cover 3 of the nails with the glitter mix about 75 to 70% so that I can go ahead and do an ombre design. And then on the nail with the bling, I'm going to go ahead and cover that with just a plain nude and then add the bling to it. So yeah, I'm going to come back when I'm doing something different. So you guys, I work with a really small brush when I'm doing ombre and stuff. I just feel like for me personally, it works better, but you can use whatever you like. This is a number 10 LMP brush by C&D, just in case you guys were wondering. I bought it from, I forgot the name of the store. Salon Centrics, that's where I got it from, Salon Centric online. So if you have like a nail technician license, you can go online and order it. I've seen them on eBay, but I haven't seen it in the store. My nail teacher when I was in nail school is the one that put me onto this brush, and I really liked it, so that's why I use it. But I'm just doing the same thing with the rest of the nails, you guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on to doing the ombre. So now I'm going in with Cover Blush by JC Beauty Concepts, and if you know, you know I always use this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the full nail. So I'm just applying the acrylic, and y'all, I already told you guys I am not like that application girly, like the perfect application. So I just do as many beads as possible to my liking, and I just flatten it out and press it and make sure I push the sides side to side to make sure that I don't lose the shape of the nail tip. And if you guys wanted to know where I got these nail tips from, these nail tips are actually from Timu. So get into it, y'all. They have really good extra long nail tips, and this is with no C curve. So I'm just applying the acrylic, and then we're gonna go ahead and move on. So as y'all can see, I'm just continuing, just going in little by little. And y'all, with my practice hand being the way that my desk is, um, and I ran out of acetone, so I don't even have acetone to kind of get like, you know, a more sturdier bead so they're more wet. Being the way the hand is, y'all, for me to record it and then let you guys see it, I have to hold the nail in kind of like an awkward position. So like gravity is not pulling the acrylic down as it should. So I have to kind of drag it down myself, and the lack of acetone too, because I put a couple of drops in there to kind of hold the acrylic. But it is what it is, y'all. As long as the set comes out nice afterwards, that's all we're worried about. And I know that I sound under the weather a bit, y'all. I'm just going through my menstrual cycle and I'm just exhausted. I don't know, I was supposed to upload on Saturday and I was just so drained and tired, so I had to take, you know, that day off. But your girl is back and I'm feeling much better, but I'm just fatigued. That's all it is. My energy is not even up like how it normally is, but we gonna still get the videos popping, okay girl? Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do the ombre. So the way that I do mine, I go in with really small beads, especially when it's like a glitter that is gonna have like a line of demarcation where you can really see where it starts and ends. I go in little by little, and then I build my way up and go higher and higher, and that way it covers it up and gives me the blend that I like. But it all depends on your preference. This is just, I feel, if you're a beginner, you can start like this just to kind of see yourself blending. And then, the more you do it, you can, make adjustments or whatever the case may be. So this is how I basically blend it in. I just go in with small amounts and then blend it down to try to cover up the glitter, but not cover it too much to where you can't see the glitter anymore. I actually want the glitter to kind of be the star of the show, so it could like really pop out. So that's why I do it this way. And I switched my brush. Now I'm using a size 14 brush, and I got this from Nail Supply Glamour. I'm actually in the market for a size like 20 brush. So I haven't decided on what company I'm going to go in with, but I want to get a size 20, and I want it to already be pre-pinched because last time I tried to pinch a brush, y'all, I completely messed it up. Like, it was a mess. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and continue and do the same thing on the rest of the nails, and then I'll be back when I'm doing something different. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Me a Secret Clear, and I'm going to encapsulate the nail design. That way when I go into shape and file it, I don't drill off, the basics, drill off the design or drill off the ombre or glitter. So I just go in and encapsulate it real quick, and I'm going to do that to all of the nails except for the plain nude one because I didn't really need to encapsulate that. I think I did encapsulate it though, because I kind of feel like with the encapsulation, it smooths out the nail design as well as whatever I encapsulated. It just smooths it out and makes it even so that when I go in and shape or whatever, it's not really looking like lumpy or bumpy, and I could just smooth everything. So I always encapsulate. Right, y'all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use some nail charms to bling out this finger, and I'm gonna go in with this blue and purple kind of heart shape, and then this beautiful blue and purple diamond. It is, I mean, butterfly is so cute, and also these blue and purple rhinestones. So I'm gonna go in with the Macart nail glue, and I need some more of that because I'm running out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to the nail and then make sure I cure that, because if you don't, y'all, it'll start moving and stuff like that, and then it'll just be so annoying. So I make sure to cure it, and I also kind of brush down the excess of the gel. That way you can't really see it when everything is cured and stuff. I just started doing that because sometimes I could like see the glue, like the extra glue residue on my nail set. So I'm trying to avoid that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just place some gold pearls, um, the blue and purple rhinestones, and then I also have some clear Swarovski. So I'm gonna go ahead and just randomly, cluster them together. I was gonna do full bling on the whole nail with the cluster, like just bling it out completely. But then I was like, let me just do the middle so that you guys can kind of see the nude a little bit. But I don't know. I feel like I should have just blinged it out now that I'm sitting here like looking at it and now that I'm editing. But I don't know. There'll be other nail sets that I could bling out. So I just left it like this, and I really like this. So I'm gonna just continue and doing the same thing. Y'all, my bad. I slurred my words, but I'm just applying them, moving the nail around, pushing them around, and just randomly applying it. Like it wasn't hard at all. I thought it was gonna be because of the gold, but it actually meshed well together and it came out really cute. And that butterfly, I love the butterfly. It is so beautiful. I also like the heart too. Like I just never use blue and purple, so I really like it. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue just randomly placing the beads and well, the pearls and the rhinestones and crystals. But the way I'm doing it, I'm kind of trying to work with like each color and not put too many of the same colors as close to each other as possible. So I think that's what works best. So I put like the pearl, then I do purple, then I go in with like the crystal clear, and then continue to work my way around the other colors with another color and smaller in different sizes so that it can kind of look cohesive and just a nice cluster. So cute. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that and moving them around. Then we're going to move on to top coat, and I'm going to show you guys the final look. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below and let me know if you guys like it. But we have to come up with some type of schedule. I'm thinking Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. I don't know because I get a lot of views or the most views. I'm not going to say a lot on Saturday, but I love y'all. Bye.